So this is the parking of Harihara Betta. According to this is a pond here, and then of course it's a kind of a climb up. So we have to start now, Harihara Betta Trek. So we climb up. It's actually a double peak. This is called double peak, Harihara Betta. So there's a temple which is the first checkpoint. After the temple on left hand side you have a path to the top. So it's like a climb on a hillock, and then you'll hit the temple. So you can see a lot of guys are going there. Already we can see some nice scenery around. Actually we have to enter through the Isha Foundation entrance. That's the Isha Foundation entrance there. You can see there. And then you come inside. It's so beautiful. The new temple being constructed here. So this is another old temple, right? Then of course you have to go up, and then that's a mountain which you have to climb. So this is one path here. This is a new one which is getting constructed. Temple, right? So this is the old temple, Harihara temple. Left of it you have to go to climb the mountain. Okay, so this is the temple what we are coming now, Harihara temple. The temple, you have to go on the left hand side and then climb this boulder section. So I believe there are some arrow marks in places, so you need to follow that. This is another path which is a village. From there you can walk and then walk down the way. This is the other end. So Pushkarni there. You can see Pushkarni, right? That is the place. And then from there you can come up. This is one way. Okay, so it's a rocky section which is like you have to come like this using the four.
Go down like this and come.
And then of course you get this muddy section again. After the boulder, it's like this. Of course there are arrow marks everywhere. Yeah, but there are a lot of paths that say don't go. Follow the arrow path. After this grassy area, then we get the second rocky section to climb up, and that's the peak. So you can see there's a rocky section again. Right, so there are three paths basically. So you saw somebody coming from that side as well. We came from here, but then this is a village from where you can park as well, the Pushkarni. So there are three paths. Okay, nice big lake, two lakes, three lakes actually. And there's another one, fourth, fifth, sixth, so many lakes are there. Wow. So it's all rocky area, but arrow marks are there everywhere. So I have to climb up and go all the way there. That's a peak. So we get a flat land, and again you have to climb up on top. It's a good peak with a lot of boulders, so you need to climb up. So it's a nice, it challenges you. Maybe you want to do a couple of times in a day, it'll be a good exercise. So this is on flat land here now. This is what Isha, Chikkaballapur, you can see there. So that is Isha there. Nice boulder section actually. Climbing all boulders you have to climb. Flat land. From there now we are climbing up these boulders. So we came from that side. Then we have another small landing place here, so it's good. Nice scenery. You can sit, enjoy a break. Then again go to that hill particular right, the other hill. So we are going there right now. Okay, so this is the Isha Center, Chikkaballapur. So we have come here now after trekking Harihara Betta. Of course, there's a food court here, restrooms, facilities are good. It's a little bit muddy because the parking and all, it's all not paved actually. But otherwise, yeah, restrooms, hotels, everything is there. And this is the Isha Foundation. And the one which is in Coimbatore, this is the second one. The scenery, it's a lot of mountains surrounding that.